Starting a job servicing business is not that difficult. I started mine overnight due to a challenge. After I completed the challenge, my job servicing business still goes on, but there are quite a number of hiccups I encountered along the way, and I feel that there are things that I should do before starting the job servicing business. To name a few of the hiccups, I struggled to have consistent sales at one point. I underquoted a client, which led me to making a loss, and many more. So if you are planning to start a job servicing business, then make sure that you watch this video because I'm going to share 3 things that you need to do before starting job servicing business. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building your profitable online business. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that you need to do before starting job servicing business. So the first thing that you need to do is to have a business plan. Proper planning of your job servicing business is essential for its success. A business plan is an important tool to help guide your decisions. Think of it as a roadmap to success, providing greater clarity on all aspects of your business, from marketing and finance to operations and job service product details. I have uploaded a complete job servicing plan called the Job System on my Facebook, Supermom TV. Make sure you follow me on my page. I will leave a link down in the description box below, so make sure that you check this business plan out. The second thing that you need to do before starting your job servicing business is you need to pick the right service. There are hundreds of digital products and services available to the consumers today. The opportunities for you to enter the marketplace and compete effectively are unlimited. In order for you to succeed in job servicing, your skill at choosing that in-demand digital service is critical. So before starting job servicing business, ask yourself these questions. What does the service achieve for the client? How does the service improve your client's life or work? What kind of clients will you be selling the product to? And lastly, do you personally like the client who will be buying this digital service? You can find out more about the type of digital service that you can promote for your job servicing business over here. I have created a playlist on the job servicing product training, so make sure that you check them out. The third thing that you need to do before starting your job servicing business is mentally prepare for a successful business. Sufficient mental preparation allows you to stay the course, handle obstacles, maintain motivation, and follow through to the end, which is not to give up. I feel that this is the very first thing that you need to do before starting your job servicing business, because you are the main engine that drives the business. Here are the 3 things that you need to prepare mentally. Always keep moving forward and never give up. Accept the fact that there will be setbacks. You will experience frustrations and you may even consider quitting. If you make a mistake, fix it and learn from it. Move your business forward, learn and grow as a professional. Number 2 is go all in 100%. Everything you do in your job servicing business should be done with every ounce of effort you possess. And finally, the third one is to be mentally prepared to pay for marketing. Even though at the start of doing job servicing business, you might be getting sales here and there from organic traffic. But when it comes to scaling your business, we need to reinvest the profit back into the business as marketing costs. This way you can grow your business and you'll have a more sustainable business model. Compared to organic marketing, paid marketing reaches your target audience faster and more directly. Hence, you can get more clients quicker. So here are my 3 main things that you need to do before starting your job servicing business. Our main goal as a job servicer is to have a sustainable online business so that we can live the life that we want and so that we can achieve our business goals quicker as well. So in order for you to do this, we need to have a good foundation before starting the job servicing business. I hope today's video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!